Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and the intricate connections that bind us all together. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey into the heart of the wild. Today, we're going to venture into the fascinating realm of animal behavior and ecology, where a remarkable discovery has shed new light on the potential origins of future pandemics. Imagine a place where multiple species come together, interacting in complex ways that can have far-reaching consequences for human health. Sounds like the stuff of science fiction, doesn't it? But this is reality, and it's happening right now in the heart of Africa. In the Niokolo-Kolba National Park in Senegal, a team of researchers has been studying the intriguing social dynamics of aardvark burrows. These underground dens are not just simple hiding places, they're bustling hubs of activity, where various creatures gather to feed, shelter, and interact with one another. The researchers, led by ecologist Cedric Vermeulen, have made some astonishing observations that could have significant implications for our understanding of disease transmission. As we delve into the world of aardvark burrows, you might be surprised to learn that these underground tunnels are frequented not just by aardvarks but also by bats, monkeys, and other animals. It's a veritable melting pot of species, each with their own unique characteristics and behaviors. But what happens when these creatures come into contact with one another? How do their interactions influence the spread of diseases? The researchers have found that certain bat species, like the large-eared slit-faced bat, are known carriers of coronaviruses that can infect both primates and humans. This raises important questions about the potential for disease transmission between species. If a monkey were to eat an infected bat, for example, it could then become a carrier of the virus itself, and if that monkey were to come into contact with humans, perhaps through the bushmeat trade or other means, the consequences could be dire. This is precisely the kind of scenario that epidemiologists and conservationists are working to prevent. By understanding the complex relationships between species in these ecosystems, we can better anticipate and prepare for potential disease outbreaks. It's a classic example of the One Health approach, which recognizes that human health is inextricably linked with the health of animals and the environment. As we continue to explore this fascinating topic, we'll be joined by experts who are working on the front lines of disease research and conservation. We'll learn more about the intricate web of relationships between species in these ecosystems and how they can inform our efforts to prevent future pandemics. For now, let's take a moment to appreciate the awe-inspiring complexity of the natural world. The interconnectedness of species, the delicate balance of ecosystems, it's a truly remarkable thing. And as we navigate the challenges of the modern world, it's more important than ever that we prioritize our understanding and appreciation of the natural world. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. We're halfway through our journey today, and I'm excited to share with you a fascinating tale of rediscovery and conservation. Deep in the central highlands of Sri Lanka, a team of researchers stumbled upon something incredible, a species of orchid that was thought to be lost forever. The Vanda thwaitii, a stunning and delicate flower, had not been seen in over 160 years. Its rediscovery is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of preserving our natural world. But as we delve deeper into this story, we'll also explore the challenges that come with protecting such a rare and fragile species. The Vanda thwaitii is found in the Knuckles Range, a mountainous region in Sri Lanka known for its unique biodiversity. The orchid grows on the trunks and branches of forest trees, making it highly susceptible to habitat destruction. With fewer than 10 individuals remaining in the wild, conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of this species. One of the main drivers of decline is the demand for wild-sourced orchids, which are often used for breeding and as flowers for temple offerings. The illegal trade of these plants can have devastating consequences, not only for the Vanda thwaitii, but also for other endangered species. It's a complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach, involving education, law enforcement, and community engagement. As we navigate this intricate web of conservation challenges, it's essential to recognize the importance of public awareness and participation. By sharing stories like that of the Vanda thwaitii, we can inspire individuals to take action and make a positive impact on the environment. Every orchid rediscovered is indeed a second chance, and what we do with that chance will decide whether these species survive the century. The plight of the Vanda thwaitii serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between human activity and the natural world. As we move forward, it's crucial to strike a balance between preserving our planet's biodiversity and meeting the needs of local communities. It's a challenge that requires cooperation, creativity, and a deep appreciation for the beauty and wonder of nature. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, we have some fascinating news from the world of wildlife conservation. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, has made a significant update in how we classify one of Africa's most iconic creatures, the giraffe. Until recently, all giraffes across the vast African continent were considered to be part of a single species, with several subspecies. However, following extensive research and a thorough taxonomic review by the IUCN Species Survival Commission's Giraffe and Okapi Specialist Group, it has been officially recognized that there are not one, but 4 distinct species of giraffes. This new classification is based on compelling evidence from genetic analysis, detailed examination of hundreds of giraffe skulls and bone shapes, and biogeographical features such as rivers and rift valleys that have historically kept different populations apart. The strongest signal for these distinctions came from genetic data, which consistently pointed to 4 separate lineages. This means the northern giraffe, the reticulated giraffe, the Maasai giraffe, and the southern giraffe are now each recognized as distinct species. The implications of this new classification are profound for conservation efforts. By recognizing these 4 species, we can better understand their individual population sizes, trends, and the specific threats they face. This clarity is crucial because it allows for more targeted and effective conservation plans. For instance, some of these species have very small populations and are at real risk, a situation that could be overlooked if giraffes were considered as one large, healthy population. A northern giraffe, for example, can be found in isolated pockets stretching from Niger to East Africa, while the reticulated giraffe inhabits primarily northern Kenya and parts of Ethiopia and Somalia. The Maasai giraffe roams large parts of Tanzania and central and southern Kenya, and the southern giraffe is spread across southern Africa, including Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. The next step will be to assess the threat status of each species for the IUCN Red List, which involves pulling together the latest data on their population sizes, trends, and threats. This process is a separate, formal evaluation with its own expert review, but is crucial for focusing conservation efforts where they are most needed. This update in giraffe taxonomy isn't just about classification, it marks the beginning of a clearer, more effective era for giraffe conservation. By recognizing the diversity within giraffes and treating each species with the individual attention it deserves, we can work towards ensuring that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive across Africa. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.